Hi guys and gals, this is Atif and you're watching Moon 333 and welcome to another update on Bitcoin. My friends, in my previous video I've shown you that we have some hopes that and those hopes can push the price action up to the next resistance level. And the first hope was the support of this down channel, which was just recently formed, and we can see that the price action has embraced the support of this down channel, and now it is getting bounced from the support of the channel. And we had the formation of cup and handle, and the price line is just moving in the form of down channel in this handle of the cup, and now we have several touches at the support of this handle, and the price action is now likely to take the bounce. I'll just show you in my next charts that how it is taking bounce and moving up now. And this was a very strong signal or support which we had was the 200 simple moving average, and that was not broken so far. And we can see that now the price action is moved up from this 200 simple moving average on daily chart. And this was a really very strong signal as per my point of view, because I love harmonic patterns. They just work like the rescue volunteers. Whenever we have the problem, the price action is moving down, facing bearish trend, and such bullish continuation patterns appears, harmonic patterns appears. They give us hope that the price action or the Bitcoin can move up, and sometimes they also appear in the bearish form as well. But this time we had a bullish butterfly pattern formation by the price line of Bitcoin, and I was assuming that from this potential reversal zone of this bullish butterfly pattern, the price line will be moved up to this area at least, and we had a strong support of 200 simple moving average in this potential reversal zone or buying zone or PRZ level. Now let's move to the live chart. First, I'm just taking you to the same channel from the chart of the same channel. Uh, just for recap, we can see that first the price action was moving in an up channel, and here the price action broke down this up channel, and after that we can see that there is a down channel is being formed. Even it is confirmed now because we have so many touches at the support of the channel, and we also have this 200 simple moving average strong support within this channel as a support for the price line, as we have just discussed earlier. And now the price line is likely to take a bounce from this 200 simple moving average, and we have one, and this is the second green candle today. Today the Bitcoin gave us the highest price of $8,921. That is a very good hope and positive move by the Bitcoin. Maybe it will be moved up at least up to the resistance of the channel, almost at $9,100. And after that, if the channel, the resistance of the channel will be broken out, then we can see that the price action will hit the resistance of the cup as well. I'll just show you in the next chart. Now let's move to the oscillators and the indicators on daily chart. In my previous video, we have seen that the stochastic was here, and that was not oversold. And I just said at that time, if the stochastic will be oversold, and if it will give us the bull cross, and the RSI will enter in the oversold zone, and we will receive at least weak bearish signals by the moving average convergence divergence or MACD, then we may see that the Bitcoin will move up to the next resistance level, or at least the resistance level of the channel that is around at $9,100. And if the resistance of the channel will be broken out, then we will see the price action will hit the resistance of the cup at $10,350. And here we can see that the price action the moving average convergence divergence is turned weak bearish from strong bearish. Once it was turned weak bearish here, but at that time the RSI was not in oversold zone and the stochastic was also not oversold. But now the stochastic is also giving the bull cross from the oversold zone, and RSI has also visited the oversold. You can see, I'm just placing my cursor here, then you can see the value of RSI is here, and you can see that that was 29.75, the value of the RSI, and at 30 it goes in oversold. So the value of the RSI was 29.75. It means it was oversold, and there is another indicator I have placed on this chart, and that is Bollinger Bands. And here we can examine that the price action is taking bounce from the lower bands or the support of the Bollinger Bands. That is very good sign. So we can have at least the price action can touch up to the resistance of the channel around at 9,000 or $9,100. All right. And now we can see that the price action was entered in the potential reversal zone. I'm just playing this chart. I just published this chart that day on 27th of Feb, and we can see that now the price action is moving up and taking a kind of bullish divergence so far. This is not as that much powerful bullish divergence that the price action can move beyond 0.786 Fibonacci projection, but it is likely to take or start its bullish move. Once it will enter in this zone, this is the Fibonacci projection of A to D leg from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci level. Once it will be crossed up the 0.382 Fibonacci level, then it will use this level as a support, and if the price action will be able to successful to cross up this 0.786 Fibonacci level, that is around at $10,000, then it will also use it as a support, and it can hit the resistance of the cup at $10,350. This is the resistance of the cup we have, and we can see that we have so many touches at the support of this trend line that is in fact the handle of this cup, and now the price action is moving up towards the resistance of the handle of the cup. Once it will be broken out, then definitely the price action will try to hit and break out this resistance level of $10,350. Before that, in my previous 2 or 3 videos, I've been showing this cup in handle, but in those videos, in those articles, I just set the resistance of the cup at $9,892 because at that time we did not have so many touches at this level, but we have almost 7 or 8 touches at this level of $10,350. So we cannot ignore this resistance. Therefore, I have just reset the resistance of the cup at $10,350. And once this resistance of the handle will be broken out, then we can see that the price action will break out will try to hit the resistance of the cup as well. And this is the bullish continuation pattern in more than 80% cases. Whenever the price action cross up the handle of the cup, it also breaks out the resistance of the cup as well. So there are chances that we will be back in the bullish rally, which was started since December 2018. But we cannot confirm it, or we cannot say anything unless this resistance will be broken out. First of all, we need to break out this resistance as soon as possible. And we are also at the Fibonacci projection of 0.50 Fibonacci. We have a cushion up to 0.618 Fibonacci. That is a golden ratio for the Fibonacci retracement for the traders. Unless this level is not broken down, the price action can move up to the next resistance level and it can also break out the next resistance level and start or continue the previous rally that was started in December 2018. But for me, the Fibonacci projection up to 0.786 Fibonacci level is also accepted, but we should see up to this level only. All right, this chart is very much important. This is a long-term chart, a weekly chart, and here we can see that we have so many touches, and these touches by the price action has formed a downtrend. You can see this trend line, and whenever the price action is hitting this trend line, it is moving up. I'm just placing the volume profile on the complete price action above this trend line from here to here, and now we can see that the trader's interest is very low below this level, almost at $7,700. Below this level, the trader's interest is very low. Therefore, we can see that whenever the price line goes here, it moves up again here. And above this level, almost at $10,350, and at this level, almost we have our the POC of this volume profile. Sorry, the trader's interest is almost up to here at $10,700 almost, and this POC is at $10,350. So when the POC always calls the price action towards itself. Whenever the price action goes down or upward, it calls the price action towards itself. And you can see whenever the price action moves down or up, it moves around this POC and moves back to the POC of this volume profile. So this is very positive indication. But guys, we need the price action as soon as possible. It should break out this POC. But if the price action will not break out this POC of 10, which is at $10,350, then we will have so many touches at the resistance, and that will form a resistance. And after when the resistance will be formed, then we will have a down channel formation. Like, let me to draw for you guys. This is the resistance. This would be the resistance of the channel. Once we will have more touches at the upside or at this level. For example, this is the projection tool. Like at this time, the price action moves down like in this way and moves up in this way, and again moves down in this way, then we can see that the price action or price line will be moving in this down channel in this way, or we can see a very down levels by the price line of the Bitcoin. But this is not possible. Therefore, I have just placed the volume profile for your satisfaction, because the trader's interest is so far very low, below the $7,700 level. That was just to show you what can happen if a strong downtrend will be formed. So this is very important for the price action of the Bitcoin if we want to see that the price line should continue the bullish rally which was started since December 2018, December 18, 2019. And for this breakout, we need the volume, the buying volume with continuation like we had here from Feb 2019 up to June 2019. And the volume oscillator should be triggered with more than the value of 10 like it was triggered here. We can see time to time it was being triggered. Like first it was triggered here at 1st April with the value of 13.51. You can see the values here. I'm just placing my mouse cursor here. All right, 13.51. Then it was triggered again with the value of 19.14, and then it was again triggered with the value of 13.31. Then it went down, and the price action was also moved down with the volume oscillator. Now we need the volume oscillator and the volume as well for the breakout. We need the breakout as soon as possible. The timeline is very important. If we will have some more touches at the resistance or close to this POC, then a down channel will be formed. And these are the EMS 10 and 20. I've been telling you in my previous videos, these EMS are too much important if we want to see the Bitcoin back to the bull rally that was started in December. Uh, Before or after December, from January 7 up to almost February 20th, we can see that the price line was moving above this EMA or exponential moving average 10, and it was using the support, using this EMA as a support, and always taking bounce from this EMA whenever we had a correction rally. At this time, we were also expecting that the price action will take the support or use it as a support while this correction rally, but unfortunately the price action has crossed down completely both EMAs, the EMA 10 and EMA 20, and both EMAs are likely to form a death cross or bear cross at this time. But fortunately, that is a very positive sign that the stochastic is entered on 2-day chart in oversold zone. In MACD, strong bearish, that is not a good sign, but once we will have a bull cross by the stochastic and the MACD will be turned weak bearish again, like it is turned up to day chart weak bearish. So then we can have a hope that the price action will move up again above this EMA 10 and 20. At least we need the price action above EMA 10 if we want to see the Bitcoin back to the bullish rally again. So at this time, it is bullish. It is turning bullish up to day chart. I'm expecting soon it will be reflected up to two-day chart as well, and we will see the MACD will be turned bullish. So this was the update by the Bitcoin price action. I'm very much optimistic that we will be back soon to the bullish rally that was started. And I need your comments. I need your suggestions in the comments. What you say about my video, about my views. If you see any fault or flaw in my patterns or in any signal which I'm just representing here, then you can just give me your suggestions in the comments. And if you like the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel. And do remember that the information I've provided you in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So take care. Goodbye.